In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Namecheap name servers so you can use website.com email services the right way. This is a really useful setup if you already bought your domain through Namecheap, but you want to connect it to website.com for email hosting and domain services. I'll walk you through each step clearly so you can follow along even if you're doing this for the first time. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website and email setup guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your account dashboard, go to your domain list. This is where all of your domains are shown in one place, and it's the starting point for making changes to your domain settings. Find the domain you want to connect to website.com email services and select it carefully so you don't change the wrong one. Next, open the Actions menu for that domain. In the options that appear, choose DNS or host records. Namecheap may show you a warning message here because you're about to change important domain settings. Read the warning, accept it, and click Next to continue. This step is normal, and it simply confirms that you understand the change may affect how your domain points to services online. Now you'll need to select Custom DNS. This tells Namecheap that you want to use name servers provided by another service instead of the default Namecheap Nameservers. Once you select Custom DNS, you'll need the name server information from website.com. So open a new tab and log into your website.com account. Inside your website.com dashboard, look for the domain name servers provided by website.com. These are the exact name servers you need to connect your domain properly. Copy each name server one by one. It's very important that you copy them exactly as shown because even a small typo can prevent the connection from working correctly. After you have the name servers copied, return to Namecheap. Paste the name servers into the custom DNS fields. If Namecheap gives you more than one field, make sure each website.com name server goes into the correct box. Take a moment here to double check everything. Make sure there are no missing letters, no extra spaces, and no incorrect entries. Accurate name servers are essential for the setup to work. Once you're sure everything is entered correctly, click Save Changes. Namecheap will now update your domain to use the new custom name servers from website.com. After that, the DNS changes will begin processing. One important thing to remember is that DNS updates do not happen instantly. It can take up to 24 hours for the changes to fully take effect, although sometimes it happens sooner. During this time, your email connection may take a little while to start working properly, so be patient and give it time to propagate across the internet. And that's it. You've now changed your Namecheap name servers to use website.com email services. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tech tutorials, website setup tips, and simple guides that make things easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.